Okay, here's the first creek crossing.
It's a slip spot right here.
Casualty, I guess. Little DRZ goes down.
Wait a minute. I am.
Oh, the whole bike's sliding.
Don't hang on it, Brian. You can do that.
Whatever you do, don't go downstream at all.
Walk it, it's going to slide me down. My boots are just like, I'm trying to back the other way. I don't want to go over to the edge. No, it didn't lean over either.
Steve, do you want another guy? You want me to turn this off? All right.
I'd rather start uphill.
The whole bike's just sliding. The whole bike's just sliding. It's slick as snot.
What? I think we were getting close to the edge.
It's not slippery right there, is it, Steve?
Not right here.
See,
right in there it is.
I'm thinking of going here. Because it's not, well, it's a little slippery there.
Right where you get there, it gets slippery.
All right, the DRZ's across.